Hello and welcome to Facts, Fiction, and Stories, where I explain amazing facts about the human body. Today, I'm going to tell you how your heart beats and what makes it tick. Your heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to your lungs and the rest of your body. It has four chambers, two upper ones called atria, and two lower ones called ventricles. Each chamber has a valve that opens and closes to let blood flow in one direction. But how does your heart know when to contract and relax? Well, it's all thanks to electricity. Yes, you heard me right. Your heart is powered by electricity. But where does this electricity come from? It comes from a group of special cells in the walls of your heart, called the cardiac conduction system. This system is like the wiring of your heart, and it has five main components. The sinoatrial node SAW node, this is the natural pacemaker of your heart, located in the right atrium. It fires electrical signals at regular intervals, causing the atria to contract and pump blood into the ventricles. The atrioventricular node, AV node, this is the relay station between the atria and the ventricles, located near the tricuspid valve. It receives the signals from the SAW node and delays them slightly, allowing the ventricles to fill up with blood. The bundle of His, this is a bundle of muscle fibers that connects the AV node with the ventricles. It splits into two branches, the right bundle branch and the left bundle branch. The bundle branches, these are extensions of the bundle of His that run along the inner walls of the ventricles. They carry the electrical signals to the bottom of the heart. The Purkinje fibers, these are fine fibers that branch out from the bundle branches and spread throughout the ventricles. They deliver the electrical signals to every part of the ventricles, causing them to contract and pump blood out of the heart. So, this is how your heart beats. The SAW node fires an electrical signal that travels through the atria, making them contract. The signal reaches the AV node, which delays it for a fraction of a second. The signal then travels down the bundle of His and its branches, reaching the Purkinje fibers. The Purkinje fibers distribute the signal throughout the ventricles, making them contract. The cycle then repeats itself, creating a rhythmic heartbeat. You can hear your heartbeat by listening to the sound of your valves closing. When your atria contract, they push blood into your ventricles, closing the tricuspid and mitral valves. This makes a lub sound. When your ventricles contract, they push blood out of your heart, closing the pulmonic and aortic valves. This makes a dub sound. So each heartbeat sounds like lub dub. Your heartbeat is also called your heart rate or pulse. It is measured by counting how many times your heart beats in 1 minute. You can find your pulse by gently placing two fingers on your wrist or neck, where you can feel an artery pulsing under your skin. You can use a watch or a timer to count how many beats you feel in 30 seconds, and then multiply that number by 2. The normal resting heart rate for an adult is between 60 and 100 beats per minute. Your heart rate can vary depending on many factors, such as your age, activity level, emotions, medications, and health conditions. When you exercise, your heart rate increases to deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. When you are relaxed or asleep, your heart rate slows down. Your heart rate is controlled by signals from your nervous system and hormones from your endocrine system. These signals and hormones allow your heart to adapt to changes in your body's needs. So, that's how your heart beats and what makes it tick. I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Facts, Fiction, and Stories for more amazing facts about the human body. Thank you for watching and see you next.